I'm very, very excited about the possibilities, the creative possibilities and tools that it opens up for our talent, for our end users. And in fact, we've got some immediate plans. We're working with an AI assisted company. Oh, by the way, just our search at the moment on our site is AI assisted. And it's incredible. Like the deeper dive that it does into our catalog that generally was handled by tagging, manual tagging. I mean, it's really incredible. I'm amazed every day that I use it. And it's for a search, it's taking us deeper into the catalog and uncovering legacy material that I never would have thought of in a search. And I'm hoping that's happening for our clients. I think the real thing that we all really are anxious about is this AI created music. And just like everyone else, I hate it. But I think the key word is training. And we have to be, look, there would be no fake Drake without Drake. So we have to be Drake. We have to push. I think it pushes us harder, just like any good competitor does. It pushes us harder to be awesome, to be inspirational, to push the boundaries. And I think, and this might be a hippie commune, but I think it's a kick in the ass for all of us and reminds us, oh shit, we can't just phone it in. So look, the genie is out the bottle. None of us can stop that. So let's embrace it where it's a positive thing. And I think all industries, and we have to look at our industries outside, are doing the same. But I think you're either playing defense or offense. And I speak to so many people that are in defense at the moment, and they're thinking about selling their companies. And is this the end of production music? So for me, that just creates opportunity.
Love it. So, yeah, and I think you and I are definitely on the same wavelength there, because even a lot of the critical videos I've put out, I usually try to end it with a very positive, exactly, very, very similar to the message you've given there, which is that AI is going to be great at rehashing yesterday's music. It's going to do that way better, faster, cheaper than we can ever hope to try to do that. So let's just give that up, rehashing yesterday's music. And like you said, let's forge for what's our music, what makes us unique and special, and let's push our own creative boundaries so that you're right, we'll be so good that people will want to use AI to emulate us. So you're absolutely right. There is only that sort of offensive move forward position if you want to stay ahead of this thing and not let it gobble up your creativity. Yeah.
Also, look, history tells us that great music comes from pain and emotion, and that's the one thing a machine doesn't have. So lean into that, lean into how you're feeling as a musician. The magic of being a musician is being with other people and playing and performing with other people and learning your craft that way. And we all have to remember that, because as a composer, it's so easy to just come down and sit in front of your computer and create music, and remind you to get out there and actually, even though bring the skills that you learn from playing with other musicians back to the computer, so you're an input rather than you're a passive.